Alright, it's like 3 a.m. Ryan and I have decided, last minute, to go on an adventure out to the Gold Coast, to the hinterlands, to try and catch the sunset. I mean, it's not fully planned out, but hopefully we'll catch it. So yeah.
We gotta go.
Let's kick off.
Close the door, you dickhead. I fucking hate your car, dude. It's next time.
Oh! Good morning! Good morning!
Oh, the sun won. Yeah, update, the sun won. But we ain't mad. So I guess update again. We are on the top of a mountain right now, and it's fucking beautiful. Piss break. Dude, this is what I mean, man. This is the loosey-goosey part of the road. Fucking winding through. Oh, dang. We just got a little bit of a opening in the trees here. The sun's just poking over the mountains now.
Wow. Dude, this is freaking incredible.
The light is
oh my god,
so
is the camera getting it?
Yeah, the camera's getting it.
Whoa. Out of nowhere. Out of nowhere.
Alright, I'm not wearing any shoes. Let's go fucking check. What?
O'Reilly's 1.2.
O'Reilly's outhouse. Green Mountains car park. That's what we need, 900 meters.
Did you hear all that? It's insane.
I mean, the beeping's nice.
So tranquil. Silver dollar baby. Alright, so we're in the car park.
We think.
We believe.
Yeah, we're here because this is O'Reilly's. It's just not, yeah, we made it.
We made it, boys. We've done it, hopefully, fingers crossed. Let's go for a walk.
Let's go find this fucking trail.
Right.
You got everything you need?
Yeah, dude.
Don't wear canvas shoes when you hike. Public service announcement. I'm a bad person.
I'm literally wearing my work shoes, so no worries. Oh, dude, shit. We need the Sammies.
Fuck.
It's cold in the deep. We're getting Sammies for breakfast with Ryan and breakfast. Guess what, last night Ryan made the most ridiculous sandwich I've ever seen.
It's not the most ridiculous sandwich.
It literally had about seven mils of peanut butter on top of it, and he decided to leave his sandwich bag slightly puffy so that we'd know whose is whose. Oh my god, it's so cold I can't even talk. But he just vacuum packed his sandwich bag. So now we'll never know.
Shit. You know when I said 4.4 k's return? I was wrong. 6.2.
Where are we going, Marans Falls? This camping ground literally has wheelchair access.
Okay, yeah. So here's where we went wrong. We parked up here. So now we got to walk along there and up. Whereas if we parked at that spot we went through, it's just straight up. We could drive back. Do you want to drive or walk?
Let's walk.
Hey guys, so we've been walking for like 20 minutes now. It's pretty cold, colder than I thought it was going to be, and it's also been downhill, which is strange because we're in the mountains. I thought we were going to be going up, but hey Dan, you wanna get the...
What is that? What? Oh, okay. I see. Yeah. I get it.
This is so nice, man. You want a drink? Like a beer?
Yeah.
Do you do the theme song as you're walking? Da 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 da.
Sorry, you kind of triggered me there. A little triggered.
I don't approve.
Wait a minute. What have you got there, mate?
There's some sandbars left.
Some bloody sandbags. No worries.
Yeah, we have to check ourselves.
Before we wreck ourselves.
Before we wreck ourselves.
Gra, 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 gra.
Let's have this sketchy on the way back.
Oh yeah.
Grab your keys, grab your hat.
Alright, so we were just about to pack up and go and try and find somewhere else to walk, and then Ryan's like, let's just have a look over here, see what's going on, and we found the picture spot. We found it. So I was like, alright, we gotta stop. I want to stand there.
It looks sketchy.
It looks so sketchy.
It looks sketchier than it does in the photo. In the photo,
Yeah,
it looks
yeah,
like there
dude.
might be something.
I'll do an overhang.
I'm gonna come down with you. I need to stand on it as well, right?
Dude, you do. We've come this far. Alright.
I'm fucking terrified of heights. I just don't feel like that should be said. So when you see me like holding this tree like a bush.
Oh snap.
Oh shit, it's wet as well, dude.
Oh. No, it's pretty good. Alright. Ryan's just
I'm just here.
getting some Snapchats or some shit. Oh boy. Fuck. Oh shit. Oh, never again. Oh, don't sneeze on cliffs. Well, I'm coming upside you like that.
Mission accomplished, bro.
Did it? We were there. We're on the spot.
We weren't quite as like fearless as he was, because this dude was like hanging off the edge, feet off. You want me to hold it?
Yeah. Crushed it. Nice.
So what's up now, man? Where are we going?
Alright, so we did the walk. It was freaking phenomenal. It's so early still. It's like people are literally making their breakfasts right now in this camp park thing. Like these guys are like, yeah, no, we'll put our chairs down here, and we're like, we're getting out, you poser. What are you doing? Make a bit of space.
Yeah, you're fucked. I can't see.
Off the road
You're like so bright right now.
Am I lit? Ryan decided that he wasn't gonna wear his socks. He wasn't gonna wear his socks out of the car, and I peed next to his door, so he can't get back in. He can't get back in. Oh. Oi! I was kind of worried, thinking that we might need to get something like I don't know, like a city car to get through it. But you know, we'll see how we get. What the fuck is this? You couldn't fit a bicycle beside this thing.
I actually don't know how the fuck.
What? What are we seeing?
What's up?
Alright, so that's pretty much it for today. We've had an absolutely massive one. Started at 3 AM, it's about 1 o'clock now, so we've been up for about 9 hours. And I am completely trashed. I'm ready to head back to Brisbane.
It's been a good day though, man.
It has been a kick-ass day. We've had an awesome one.
Yeah, man. Breakfast on a cliff.
Breakfast on a cliff and lunch on a beach. Couldn't get much better. But I am keen to get home and curl up in a bed for sure. For sure. So I think we'll smash these Sammies. We'll get back on the road and yeah, we'll see you guys soon. Bye.